How to close Fidelity account. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can close your account on fidelity.com, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically the only currently method that you're going to be able to use is to call a Fidelity representative. As you can see, you must to close brokerage or cash management accounts with a zero balance through the virtual assistant. That's what you have to do. There is a number. I'm gonna get here just to watch if perhaps there are some other numbers. I'm gonna tap here in contact us. Perhaps there are gonna be different numbers. No, because I have teach here in the channel how to close in other accounts related to the investments, and they have different numbers in case you want to close your account. But it seems that this is not the case. You just have to by now give them a call so you can view their phone numbers. And as you can see, this is the number that you're going to be able to use. You can click here in view all phones. Here we have some other departments, but it seems that the regular phone number is gonna help you in order to close your Fidelity account. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching.